Today we're cooking rustic polenta on Cooking for Berenice. Today we're demonstrating polenta, which is an easy, filling, and hearty dish for those of us stuck inside. It's similar to other porridges or gruel in that it's a grain simmered in water for a time to develop a rich, creamy texture and flavor. It's very filling, and as you'll see, easy to make. The secret to polenta's flavor is in its long stew. This allows for the breakdown of the grain into its softer self. As a general rule, polenta is made with 4 parts for every part grain, so that's what we're using today. To make this simple soft polenta, you will need 1 cup of cornmeal, 4 cups of water, 3 tablespoons of butter, and Parmesan cheese, salt and pepper to your liking. To begin, boil your water on the stove. Once boiling, put in the butter to melt. With our butter fully melted, it's time for the cornmeal. This is the most critical step in the entire process. Do not just dump your grain all at once. Rather, sift it slowly while whisking it completely into the boiling water. As an added tip, to enable you to hold your hand here longer, turn down the flame. Once fully combined, the gloop starts to bubble, spitting out splintering hot dollops of goo. Cover and turn down the temperature, getting it to a low simmer. From there, you can use a wooden spatula to stir the mix. Now the stew is on, for the next 35 minutes at least. Make sure to check back often and stir up the mix. Don't worry about burning it if you're on a low simmer and in a non-stick pot. Finally, when the mix has been in for a good long 35 to 40 minutes, introduce your Parmesan cheese and turn off the flame. The residual heat will, of course, melt the cheese, and you'll be waiting a while for this to cool off. Once cooled a bit, spoon some up for yourself. Sprinkle on some salt and grind up some pepper. Now you can eat just like Berenice.